Welcome everybody to the rarest W163 in the world, ML500 with the lowest mileage, 83,000 kilometers. Let's go! Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to the piece of SUV history, Mercedes W163 ML500. This car was not bad at being off-road with the reliable V8 engine and luxury inside of it. This particular car served our state and was first car in the long line of Islam Abdulganiyevich Karimov, first president of Uzbekistan car fleet. Basically, Secret Service used this car for personal and government use. Karimov himself sat in W220 Mercedes, and there were also Suburbans that were protecting the car, but the ML500 was the primary lead car with the sirens. The FSB, the Russian FSB guys also loved them, and the ML500, not this particular one, but with the same configuration, was supporting and securing Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin. To me, ML, the first series ML Mercedes, marks the beginning of Mercedes SUVs for general public. $500 million were spent on the new factory in America and on the new Mercedes SUV ML. The G-Wagon existed at that time, many years before the ML, but it was desired by American financiers with the islands and demonic taste as hobbies. But the ML was more accessible luxury for a mass consumption. I prefer only the facelift version. The pre-facelift version is very terrible. I have no desire to even look at that car. It looks cheap, horrible, and not nice at all. But the facelift version is quite a beauty of the abstract thinking. In 2001, ML received over 1,000 changes. New optics, new bumpers, new mirrors, a new interior, and all the technological mistakes were fixed. The quality of materials were no longer from used American condoms, it became more German and expensive. The pre-facelift version for the same level as entry Chrysler cars the 90s, but the facelift version had much better interior, and the price tag had logical sense with the pre-facelift version because everything was very nice. And also some mechanical problems with the facelift version, they were rotting, they had some electrical problems and many other problems. And all the mechanical and electrical problems with the new facelift version were fixed. This particular ML has only 83,000 kilometers on its odometer, and it's 2004, almost last year of the production. I truly believe that you will not find a better condition in this world. We have one of the top specification, all the bells and whistles, as British like to say, and it's just dripping with options. This is like the fattest car that you can find in CIS region. The design simply captivates me. I have a fetish for this car. This is a piece of Uzbekistan's history. It's solid design, it's tasteful for me, and this car for me is more cherishable than any new GLE, AMG, Brabus, whatever they're doing right now. Especially with the spare tire on the back, this car just looks wonderful, and the chrome bumpers, the car just shines at you. While we were filming, several people approached us to ask the price about the car because this car still attracts attention and still people want to know about this vehicle, and all the bystanders were turning their heads, children, kids, women, grand people, like old people, everybody. Their eyes literally were glowing. The chrome everywhere just screamed at me. 5-liter V8 is under the hood, and the car looks brutal and nice. In today's world of Chinese gay vibrators on the 4 wheels, this looks manly. Inside everything is untouched. It's very virgin and in very pristine condition, as the body of a Dota World Champion player. The smell for me is very close to my heart, and I love it. Beautiful wood trim everywhere, leather seats is thick and nice and fresh. The seats haven't seen anybody's ass or sun or anything. It's just brand new. I'm simply happy to be here. The interior ergonomics remind me of the simplicity of W124. Everything is very clear, but you feel slight creative mess, you can say it, in the cabin, because I think that with the new facelift version, the interior was in a hurry and not very well thought through, but everything is very easy to use. We have very pleasant audio system, climate control, a working sunroof that doesn't make any noise, that's very rare, seats that feel brand new and very soft. When you sit in them, you feel like a newborn child in the arms of the mother that loves you, and everybody wanted your birth, and you don't feel like a bastard, and that's nice. The cup holders are neatly hidden in the dashboard. All the buttons and compartments are pleasant to touch and made of premium materials. In the back we have beautiful seats, climate control, and the mirror adjustments is in the center. I was very comfortable sitting here and I felt very cozy at the back. Trunk doesn't just open, it greets you like a president of another country at the highest level. First the iron curtain with the spare tire opens, then the trunk opens itself. It is huge and spacious. I don't quite understand what is the specific storage is for, and if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. It even has the brand new toolkit and it's very nice. Under the hood we have the M113 5-liter V8, 300 brake horsepower, just pure happiness every time you floor it, 0 to 60 in 6 something seconds. The engine is very relentless, frisky and reliable. Everything is here is super ideal condition. All the hoses and fluids have been changed. Everything looks brand new. There are no problems with it whatsoever. The transmission is also very reliable, and the only thing that you will worry about is the consumption of the brake pads and the brake rotors, because the ML500 is a big heavy car and you will use a lot of braking. Everything else is very solid because this is the facelift version. Electronics are good, paint is good, there's no rust. This particular car is in great condition, and if you want to buy ML500, buy, don't think about it. The fuel consumption is about 15 to 20 liters per 100 kilometers, and it's something per something miles. Google it, I'm too lazy for that. This car will easily do 500,000 kilometers without any problems with the proper maintenance. I actually have a review of a ML500 with 500,000 kilometers on the odometer. It was about 5 years ago. Same car from the President garage. It's a security service garage, and President bought about 20 of them, and one of them was in Andijan. It's a city about 300 kilometers away from Tashkent, and if you want to look at it, link is below. And now let's do the driving. So ML500, this is the car from the security service. Perfect condition, real leather. Every time I touch the gear shift, it's something incredible, because you can feel the polish on it, that is still nice, and it is just amazing. The hydraulic system is wonderful. 5-liter V8. The best thing from this engine is the pull from 20 to 40 kilometers from the standstill. You get the noise, you get the pull, you get all the nice emotions, and it drives really good. Full throttle right now, just pulls, and the gear changes also are very nice. This engine will pull non-stop. 500,000 kilometers is nothing for this engine. In the world of the gayest cars, this is the solution for returning to the real manhood. Everything here is in wonderful condition. 83,000 kilometers, the smell takes you. The first thing, the smell. Then you sit, you touch everything. It's a huge experience. It's something that will stick in your mind forever. Today I wanted to take my kid for a review, but unfortunately grades were not good, so mother was against it, and I didn't take her, and I regret it right now. I should have showed more balls to my wife, and just took my child to the review, because this is a piece of history. This is real leather. Everything is nice. The pool is just something that you enjoy. I really want to buy this car. I don't know how I will buy it, but this is something I really want. Not many cars that I'm considering buying it right now with my financial situation here, but I really want to buy it because everything here is just perfect. You're buying a piece of history. You're buying a something that you don't see every day and you will not see. It's just, this is a scarce thing that day by day is dying. Every time you touch accelerating pedal, it's something that inside your soul gets warmer, you get happier, you smile, and you're gladly paying the bills for petrol. You're happily spending money on this car, happily. And you just enjoy every meter in this vehicle. Why? Because of everything I said previously. I don't want to talk right now. I just want to drive it and enjoy it and buy this car, and that's it. This is what I want to do. The pool is amazing. Something that you want to do all the time. The audio system is not bad also, the standard one, but you don't care. Today's ML, Mercedes, the GLE, everything is fake, everything is eco-friendly, overboosted, not reliable. It's a time bomb that is waiting for you to be in very bad financial position to hit you from all the corners in the world. And this is the more reliable, it's better looking, it's softer, much softer. It has off-road capabilities. It does have off-road capabilities if you're into things like that. But I think take this car off-roading is a sin. 83,000 kilometers mileage is very low, and the condition of the interior is very nice. This is the rarest opportunity that I took advantage of today and made this review. I'm very, very happy today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this car. If you're in Uzbekistan, this car is for sale. Link is below. And yeah, tell me in the comments what do you think about the 5-liter V8. Take care and bye-bye.